Hey there, JBL lovers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping you get the most out of your JBL devices. Today, we got an exciting and super helpful tutorial for you. How to reset your JBL Flip 5 in no time. If you've ever found yourself struggling with your Bluetooth speaker, this video is just for you. So let's dive right in. Here's our star of the show, the JBL Flip 5. Now, there might be times when you encounter connectivity issues or your speaker starts acting up. Don't worry, because that's when a factory reset comes to the rescue. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. Step 1. Power on your JBL Flip 5. Press and hold the power button until you see the LED lights come to life. There you go. The lights indicate that the speaker is now on and ready for action. Step 2. Press and hold the volume up and play or pause buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them for about 5 seconds or until you hear a beep sound. Step 3. Release the buttons and wait for the speaker to turn off and then back on again. Your speaker is now reset and ready to pair with your device. That's it. You've successfully reset your JBL Flip 5 speaker. Now you can enjoy your music without any problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.